Linux is considered the perfect choice for developers for several reasons. Open source. Linux is an open source operating system, meaning that the source code is freely available for anyone to view, use, modify, and distribute. This allows developers to access the underlying code, debug it, and contribute to its development. Customization. Linux provides a high level of customization, which is ideal for developers who want to configure their system to their specific needs. They can easily install and manage different software packages, modify the user interface, and configure the system settings. Command line interface. Linux offers a powerful command line interface, CLI, which is preferred by many developers as it provides a fast and efficient way to perform tasks. The CLI is also scriptable, allowing developers to automate repetitive tasks. Large community. Linux has a large and active community of developers and users, providing a wealth of resources and support for anyone working with the operating system. The community also contributes to the development of Linux, making it a reliable and constantly evolving platform. Compatibility. Linux is compatible with a wide range of hardware and software, making it easy for developers to work on a variety of projects. Linux also supports multiple programming languages, including C, C++, Python, Java, and many others. Security. Linux is known for its security, making it a safe and stable environment for developers to work in. The open-source nature of Linux makes it easier to identify and fix security vulnerabilities, and its secure design makes it less prone to malware and viruses. Overall, Linux's open-source nature, customization options, powerful CLI, large community, compatibility with different hardware and software, and strong security make it the perfect choice for developers.